Do you know that each year Jamb normally set questions from these top topics? Yes, these topics are compulsory. Whether you like it or not, Jamb will set questions from this topic. Most students think once they study the whole textbook, they can pass the UTM exam successfully. But I'm here to tell you that is not true. Are you getting it? Studying the whole textbook is not a guarantee that you will pass the UTM exam. That's why you have to study smart. So if physics is one of the subjects you'll be writing in 2026 Jamb UTM exam, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, I'll be listing out top 15 to 20 compulsory topics. Whether you like it or not, you will see questions from this topic. These are compulsory topics. Are you getting it? So the first one on the list is unit and is measurement. Unit and is measurement. Make sure you are with a pen and a book. Jot everything down. Are you getting it? Under this topic, where we have the vernier caliper, like reading of a vernier caliper, and we have quantities, the fundamental quantities and the derived quantities, right? And the examples and how to derive dimensions of various quantities. So make sure you take note of this topic and study everything. Are you getting it under this topic? The second topic is motion. Everything under motion. Are you getting it? Calculations under acceleration, velocity, displacement, everything under motion. Okay, under motion where we have the simple harmonic motion, projectile motion. Are you getting it? So study everything under motion. As far as the topic is under motion, make sure you take it very serious. This is one of the compulsory topics you will see in questions from in 2026 Jamb UTME exam. Okay, the third one is work, energy, and power. Work, energy, and power. Take note of this topic. Take note of the calculations, examples, types, the meaning of work, energy, everything under this topic. The next one is heat energy. Heat energy. Under heat energy, where we have expansivity, like linear expansivity, cubic expansivity, where we have the area expansivity. Make sure you take note of all the calculations and also transfer of heat, like how heat is being transferred, this in through conduction, through convection, through radiation. Are you getting it? Make sure you take note of all these things because this is one of the compulsory topics you will see in questions. Okay, then the next one is electric charges. Electric charges. Under electric charges, where we have types of charges. Okay, take note of the types of charges and also conductors and insulators, the meaning and the examples of both conductors and insulators. I get it. And also take note of how charges are being produced. I get it. How charges are being produced. Under these electric charges, we have gold leaf electroscope. Gold leaf electroscope. Gold leaf is an instrument used for detecting or testing of small electric charges. Are you getting? So make sure you take note of everything under this topic. Okay. So the next one is scalar and vectors quantities. Make sure you take notes of this topic. Very, very important. Examples of scalar quantities, examples of vectors quantities, and know their differences. And also, we have few calculations under scalars and vectors quantities. I get it. Make sure you take note of everything under scalars and vectors. So the next one is electric field. Electric field. Now, electric field, we have the SS1 part and the SS3 part. So make sure you take note of anything under electric field. Take it very serious. Are you getting it? Take it very serious. You've seen a lot of questions under electric field and the calculations. Under electric field, where we have series and parallel connections. Are you getting it? Yes, I know you might have come across this topic, series and parallel connection, and we have calculations, diagrams, and so make sure you take note of everything under this topic. Are you getting it? Then the next topic is elasticity. Elasticity. Under elasticity, where we have Hooke's law. Hooke's law is a subtopic under elasticity. Okay, so make sure you take note of all the calculations under Hooke's law. So make sure you take note of the calculations, the definition, the meaning, type everything under Hooke's law. Are you getting it? Okay, so please make sure you take note of it. Very, very important. Then the next one is equilibrium of forces. Equilibrium of forces. Now, under equilibrium of forces, where we have the resultant, okay, where we have the resultant forces, we have a lot of calculations under equilibrium of forces. So make sure you take note of everything under this topic. All these topics I'm listing, please make sure you take them very serious. These are compulsory topics you see questions from. Are you getting it? Please take them very, very serious. Don't joke with them. If truly you want to pass your 2026 Jamb UTM exam, okay, make sure you take this topic very serious. The next topic is linear momentum. Linear momentum. Make sure you take note of this topic, okay? Take it very serious. You know, under this topic where we have the Newton's laws of motion, Newton's laws of motion, where we have the first law, the second law, and the third law, right? So make sure, and we have a lot of calculations. We have the collisions. So make sure you take everything serious under this topic. And the next one is machines, okay, machines. So make sure you take note of the definition of machines, calculations under mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. So once you get to this topic, you will see a lot of calculations, um, uh, definitions, examples, everything. Take note of everything under machine. Are you getting it? You will see questions, a lot of questions under this topic. Measurement of heat energy. Measurement of heat energy. Under this topic, we have specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity. So make sure you take everything serious under this topic. Okay, this is a guidance, so take note of it. Don't joke with it. Everything. We have a lot of stuff under this topic, so please take it very serious. So the next one is gas laws. Gas laws. Take it very serious. Where we have the calculations of Charles law, Boyle's law, general gas equation. Are you getting it? So make sure you take everything serious, and we have a lot of things under this topic. So please don't joke with it. Then the next one is wave. Yes, wave. Okay, waves. Under waves, we have wave motion, where we have impulse, everything. So make sure you take note of the calculations, the definitions, examples, everything under waves. So please don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. Okay, the diagram, the calculations. Are you getting it? Then the next one is reflection of light waves. Reflection. Are you getting it? Reflection of light waves. Take everything. Okay, don't expect me to be listing all the things under a given topic. No, at least I'm calling out the topics for you, so it's less for you to go through everything under each of the topics. Now the next one is refraction of light waves. Refraction. Are you getting it? Refraction of light waves. So this topic is very broad. Okay, so take it very serious. Now the next one is sound waves. Sound waves. We have a lot of topics, a lot of examples, types. Yes, this topic is very broad and compulsory. You will see questions from this topic. Compulsory, whether you like it or not, you will see questions. Are you getting it? So the next one is pressure in fluids. Yeah, pressure in fluids. You will see a lot of questions, a lot of questions, a lot. Okay, so please take note the calculations, examples, everything. The next one is gravitational field. Yeah, gravitational field, where we have a lot of calculations under this topic. A lot of calculations under this topic. Take it very serious. You will see questions from this topic. Are you getting it? Each year exam repeat questions from these topics, whether you like it or not. Whether you like, if you are good in these topics I'm listing, leave them. You will score 80 plus in your physics. That is simple truth. Now, the next one is, I think I've mentioned electric field, right? Then we have the SS1 part and the SS3 part. Then the next one is magnetic field. Magnetic field. Magnetic field. This is one of the compulsory topics. If you like it or not, you will see questions from these topics. Magnetic field is a broad topic, yes, very, very broad. So make sure you take note of it. Okay, you see a lot of questions under this topic. The next one is electromagnetic field. After magnetic field is electromagnetic field. So take note of it. Okay, you see a lot of questions. Then the next one is simple AC circuit. Simple AC circuit. Under simple AC circuit, we have a lot of calculations, formulas. That's why you have to be very, very serious right from this moment. Are you getting it? So take note. The next one is radioactivity. Radioactivity. Okay, take note of this topic. Very, very important. You will see a lot of questions. You will see a lot of questions. You will see a lot of questions. So please don't joke with these topics. The next one is basic electronics. Basic electronics. Okay, where we have the semiconductors. I guess it. The semiconductors and the rest. So take note of this topic, very, very important. Okay, now the last one is energy quantization. Energy quantization. You will see a lot of questions under this topic. Take it very serious. Take it very, very serious. Okay, take it very, very serious. Okay, so if you're interested in joining my next year Jamb lesson, mainly for science students, you can see my WhatsApp number on the screen. Shout me up. Okay, shout me up, mainly for science students. In the group, we are dealing with chemistry, physics, maths, biology, and English. Okay, so if truly you are preparing for next year Jamb and you are having issues in most calculations, either in chemistry or physics, you can chat me on WhatsApp, okay? But the lesson is not for free. I get it. It's not free. So put that in your mind before chatting me up. Don't come and disturb me in my DM. It's not free. I charge. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you share this video to your friends. Okay. Share it to your WhatsApp status. Share it to your WhatsApp. Share it to your friends. I get it. So they can watch and be updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.